Welcome back to Energy and Cleaning and Life Hacks. In lieu and honor of April Fool's Day, we're gonna pull a little prank on my husband here today. And it has everything to do with tuna. He just left for the gym, so this is a great time for me to do this, and you're gonna love this one as well. Anything that has to do with smells is one of the best hacks, April Fool's pranks that you can do, because why? They can't find the smell. All right, so we got some coffee filters here. I have a rubber band. You could also just use some paper towel. And then I have some painter's tape. By the way, my husband and I share an office. As you can see here, we got socks laying around, and we can see the air is blowing nicely right here. So this is how we're gonna set it up. I've opened up the tuna can right here. Now you can use as little or as much as you want, and what I'm about to show you, you could do this all over your house if you really wanna make somebody go crazy. We're going hog wild here today. I'm gonna put it all in here. I lied, I really wanna make him go crazy, so I'm gonna do two right here, one downstairs and one upstairs. So this is what we're gonna do. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, this smells, my fingers just stink, and it's even worse because the heat is blowing right now. Now you certainly could use some duct tape. This is just easier to pull up when needed. Duct tape would be better kept, more secretive, but that's pretty good right there, don't you think? I mean, how many people are gonna be looking inside of a vent? Okay, now we just wait for my husband to get home. Okay, I think he might be home. Let's just listen for a second. The garage door is out that way. I'm gonna go sit at my desk here. His is over there. Let's just see what happens. How much of that video do you have left to edit?
8 minutes.
8 minutes? Okay, and that fitness one will be ready for tomorrow then?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Can you smell that?
Hmm?
That smell.
Mmm.
Did you fart?
No, I didn't fart. At least not this time. Girls don't fart, by the way. What does it smell like?
It stinks.
Maybe it's your dirty socks.
No, it's not.
Okay. Where do you smell it?
In the room.
I don't know. It might be you. You need to take a shower.
Amanda would smell like fish.
Smells like fish? Huh. Interesting.
Didn't you work out today?
I did, but I showered.
You serious? You can't smell that?
No. I don't know what you're talking about.
Stinks.
What are you doing?
Go see the smells out here.
Does it smell?
No, it's definitely this office. You didn't go to the bathroom?
No. So you're gonna have to find it. April Fools. Oh my gosh, he just ran upstairs really quick. Okay, word of caution. Make sure this is taped really well. Oh, smells so bad. You do not want that going down. There you have a bigger situation on your hands. All right, if you love cleaning and life hacks, click this video on screen now, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.